In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Excel number format showing trailing decimal point. Open Microsoft Excel on your desktop. Then open the workbook you prepared during setup. This is the workbook with the amount column in column A. Once the sheet is open, click cell A2 in the grid. Now hold Shift, and while keeping Shift held down, click cell A11. This selects the full range from A2 through A11. The 10 sample numbers in the amount column should now be highlighted, and this is the exact range you will format. Press Ctrl+1 to open the Format Cells dialog. At the top of the dialog, click the Number tab. In the category list on the left side, click Custom. Now click inside the Type field. Select anything already in that field and clear it out. Type this custom format code carefully. Number sign, comma, number sign 0, decimal point, number sign. When the code is entered, click OK in the bottom right corner. Look back at column A. The whole numbers now show a trailing decimal point, so 100 appears as 100 point and 500 appears as 500 point. Decimal values such as 250.5 and 99.99 still look correct. This is the formatting problem you are about to fix. With the range from A2 through A11 still selected, go to the top of Excel and click the Home tab. In the ribbon, find the Styles group near the middle of the Home tab. Click Conditional Formatting. Then choose New Rule from the drop-down menu. A new Formatting Rule dialog opens. In the Select a Rule Type list, click Use a Formula to determine which cells to format. Now click inside the formula box under Format Values where this formula is true. Type the formula shown on the screen exactly as displayed. This formula is what tells Excel which cells contain whole numbers. After the formula is entered, click the Format button on the right side of the dialog. The Format Cells dialog opens again. This time you are setting the format Excel will apply only when that formula is true. In other words, this format will be used whenever the selected cell contains a whole number. Click the Number tab at the top of the Format Cells dialog. In the category list on the left, click Custom. Click inside the Type field, clear the existing format and type this clean integer format code. Number sign, comma, number sign 0. This version keeps the thousand separator, but it does not include a decimal point. Click OK to close the Format Cells dialog. Then click OK again on the new Formatting Rule dialog to apply the rule. Now click any empty cell, such as C1, to deselect the range. Look carefully at column A. The whole numbers now display cleanly, with no trailing decimal point. You should see values like 100, 500, 1,250, 3,200, 750, and 875 displayed as whole numbers. The decimal values still keep their decimals, including 250.5, 99.99, 1500.25, and 45.5. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Column A now displays mixed number types cleanly. Whole numbers use the integer format, while decimal numbers still show their decimal places when needed. The original custom format remains in place for the range, so future decimal values can still display properly. And the conditional formatting rule quietly switches whole numbers to the cleaner format without the stranded decimal point.